could be us.
What's up, buddy? This is Lucky. Welcome back to my channel, Lucky Programmers. You know what? I am so happy that you made it so far. Previously, we completed all the required practices for typing. Complete those practices properly and only then come to this video. Remember, accuracy is important. Speed comes next. From today onwards, we are going to practice paragraph typing. You should not take any other some random paragraphs for typing. This paragraph I am showing you on the screen is specially designed to improve typing skills. Copy this paragraph from description box and then paste it in your Microsoft Word and do practice. If you have Look Typing Pro software, you can practice over there. One more thing, be careful about capital letters. Type capital letters by using Shift plus S, Shift plus I, Shift plus N, Shift plus B, Shift plus R. So remember, accuracy is important. Focus on accuracy first and then speed comes next. You have to practice this paragraph at least 20 times without any mistakes. Practice until you get perfection in typing this paragraph. So guys, this is it for today. Do not forget to like this video and share this video to as many people as you can. Thanks for watching.